What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about how many points and how much in value those points are worth that I have currently. So before I get started, please hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure that you get your 2 free stocks with Webull down below. Also check out some of the credit card links down below. I have some really good cards, the gold card, the green card, the Amex Blue Cash Everyday card. That's a great card as well, $0 annual fee. So check out some of those links. But let's get into how much I have in rewards points value. Now this is going to be total cash and rewards points. I'm going to go through the value of those rewards points, of what I'm redeeming them for, and then we can go into some of the detail of the cash. First, let's start out with the Hilton Honor Surpass card, which I have 160,000 points, which can be valued at 0.5 cents per point, probably a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less. It just all depends, but it's around $800 in value, which I'm really excited about. I don't really use the card too much, especially now, but I still hold the card as a $95 annual fee, but I'm getting $800 worth of value from it, so I'm not really complaining there. Next is going to be the Amex MR points, which is combined the green card and the gold card. I have 137,000 points, which can be valued at 1 cent per point or 2 cents per point. I'm valuing it at 2 cents, which would be $2,752.10. I'm really excited about that because obviously it's $2,700 when I'm paying basically $300 or $400 worth of annual fees with those 2 cards. Next, I have the Amex Blue Cash Everyday card, which I do have $553 worth of value in that card in rewards cash back. So I've gained a lot when it comes to referrals. It also comes to supermarkets as well, and just purchases here and there. So I really like that card, $0 annual fee, and you get a ton when you do refer people. So I appreciate anybody that has signed up for that card. It is an amazing card. Next is Discover It, which I have $85 worth of value there. I can use that in Amazon, which I would be able to spend all of the money there, use the cash back. But you know, $85 is not bad for a $0 annual fee. Next, I have the Best Buy card, which I do have $165 there. Made some recent purchases because of, you know, the holidays, and before that as well, depending on what I needed, like my computer or my laptop or an Xbox Series X, things like that. I can gain points back or cash back with the Best Buy card with that. And last but not least, I have the Propel card, which has 11,000 points on it, which would be valued at 1 cent per point, which would be $110 worth of value. Now, total, looking over those cards, there are other cards that I have that have a little bit of value in them, but I don't really want to go with like looking up those dollars. It probably amounts to like $10 in total. But if we're looking at everything as a whole, we're looking at all these cards that we just talked about, I have about $4,466.05 worth of value in these cards. Now, a total annual fee of basically $500, that's nothing. I mean, I'm gaining a lot compared to what I'm actually paying out. So it's amazing. Even in the pandemic, which is even more amazing. So if we look at the rewards points that I do have, if you wanted to just look at those, I have about 308,000 rewards points across all the different types of points, Hilton points, MR points, Wells Fargo Propel points. So I'm really happy with the amount of value that I gained in this year when it comes to this, especially during this pandemic where I'm inside all the time. Now, I do have to look at some of my spending because of the American Express spending has been quite high because that's all I've been having time to do if I'm inside most of the time. Probably shopping online or doing something, finding different watches or whatever. This is a brand new purchase, which I didn't want to make, but I ended up making because, you know, why not? If you don't know me, I'm not a frugal person. I like to spend money, not overspend when it comes to money, but I do like to spend money and enjoy using the products that I spend money on. Sometimes I find business write-offs, but you know, you can't find it everywhere. So anyways, that's my video, guys. I wanted to go through my full portfolio of points and cash value when it comes to credit cards, and it shows that you can gain a lot from it. This is what I want to show. You know, people out there that say, hey, you know, I don't want the Amex Gold card because it has a $250 annual fee. Well, how much in value could you gain from it, especially in the first year? You're gaining 60,000 membership rewards points, which could be $600 worth of value, or $1,200 worth of value if you redeem it in the right places. That's crazy compared to $250. Plus, you're getting the money back when it comes to the credits that you get. So you're getting a lot of value there, and you need to look at the situation and say, hey, what can I gain from this? Well, you can gain a lot at 4 times at supermarkets and restaurants. So that's my video, guys. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know how much cash value you have when it comes to points and the full cash. Let me know what your points are valued at and how much you have in your full portfolio of cash. But that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Check out some of the credit card links down below if you're interested in those. Discover Blue Cash Preferred card or Blue Cash Everyday card, and also the green card and the gold card, things like that. Go ahead and check those out. I really appreciate anybody that uses those links. It helps out the channel a lot. Also, get your 2 free stocks with Webull down below, and make sure you take some time to check out my TikTok. I have a new TikTok. If you haven't seen it, I create videos on personal finance and investing, and recently $1 million versus 1 magic penny. If you want to check that out, a lot of people like that series. But that's my video, guys. Thank you so much. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.